Hey there, welcome. I hope that you are well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make the most delicious, creamy, coconutty Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Stay tuned. Start by setting a pot of water with cinnamon leaves on the fire to boil, and in the meantime we're preparing the cornmeal mixture using cornmeal and coconut milk, and we whisk this together to prevent any lumping. After it is properly combined and the water is boiling, we're going to slowly add our cornmeal mixture into this pot of water, whisking it in to prevent any lumps, because cornmeal tends to lump if you don't whisk it well. So we're slowly adding it in and whisking it so it flows right through and there are no lumps. After that, we're going to cover it on the stove for roughly 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat while it slow cooks. Cornmeal overall takes 25 to 30 minutes to cook properly in my estimations. After that time, we're adding some milk, so we're slowly whisking it in again. So you see that a whisk is helpful in this process. A spoon normally causes lumps if you're not too careful. So whisking in this beautiful velvety coconut milk into our porridge, and you can already tell how creamy and coconutty this porridge is. So we left it to cook for maybe another 10 minutes, and you can see that it has thickened and has reduced in quantity. So we like to cover it halfway. If you cover your pot too much, the whole cornmeal might boil over on you, so you want to leave your pot a little bit ajar. Now after we rounded off about 25 minutes of cooking this cornmeal, it's time to sweeten. So we're adding our sugar, salt and spices, all of which will be listed in the description box below this video. Definitely adding nutmeg and cinnamon powder into this. We're gonna whisk this through again as I keep repeating, to prevent lumping, because that tends to happen and nobody no like lumpy porridge. I can remember going to school, I hated porridge if it had lumps in it. No one wants lumpy porridge and that is why the whisk is so handy. So after we sweeten the porridge, we let that cook for another 5 minutes. That was the last final 5 minutes. And then we whisk in some vanilla after we turn off the stove, and that is it. Our porridge is ready to be served up, as warm and as creamy as it is, you know, so delicious. So you definitely want to serve your porridge warm. See how beautiful that is, so rich and coconut milky. Adding some creamy coconut to the top with a sprinkling of some beautiful cinnamon essence, and this is ready to be devoured. So I hope that you enjoy the way I make my cornmeal porridge. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and delights. And until next time, eat well, walk good.